What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can withdraw your dollars from your GakePay account to your Naira bank account using the black market rate. Okay, so if you're following me, if you watched my last video, I showed you guys how you can open a GakePay account. If you open a GakePay account, they are going to give you a US bank account, they're going to give you a pounds bank account, and they're also going to give you an euro bank account. So if you open this account, that's what you're going to get. So today I'm showing you how you can withdraw the money sent to your US GakePay account to your bank, to your Naira bank account using the black market rate. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on the video. Okay, so I used my Payoneer. As you can see, I processed $30 from my Payoneer account to my GakePay account. That's this account. So it usually takes 24 hours for the money, for you to receive the money in your GakePay account. So if you send the payment to your GakePay account and you have not seen the money, you just give it some 24 hours, then you're gonna get your money. Okay, so guys, this is my GakePay account and I just received the money. As you can see, I tried to do some withdrawal and it worked. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do the withdrawal. I processed $30 to my GakePay. Okay, actually I processed $29.6 to my GakePay and I received 29.6. So I think they don't even charge any fee. They don't charge any fee. So let's try and get this now. So using GakePay now. So currently the USD to Naira rate, bank rate is going for 760. So let's see how much rate GakePay is going to charge us. Okay, so let's convert this. So this is my Wells Fargo bank. I just created this. This was the account they gave to me when I created the GakePay account and verified. So now we're going to convert the dollars to Naira. Then we're going to send the Naira to our bank account, so a Nigerian bank account. So let's just check the rate here. So let's put one. Then let's change it to Naira. So as you can see, the rate is 757, just literally 760. This is the same thing with this one, 760. So I was trying to get Binance crypto rate. So that's what I was trying to do here. I don't know if it's gonna work. So guys, if you have not watched my last video, I recommend you just head over to KONVATI on YouTube. Just search my last video. Okay, so I'm going to show you in that video. I explained to you how you can open a GakePay account and get a USA Wells Fargo bank account. The link is in the description below, and other bank accounts from other countries. Okay, so let's head back. So as you can see here, the rate is $1 to Naira is 757. Okay, so we're going to make a use of this rate. Compared to other exchange rates, it's almost very on the same page. Another way you can support me, guys, is by subscribing to the channel. See, this is the crypto rate, 772. This is bank rate, 760, and this is the rate GakePay is giving us, 757. So the good thing about this is that we don't have to pay any other fees, so we're going to be getting this rate. So let's convert the whole dollars to Naira. So let's just convert everything. So we're going to be getting 17,524. Okay, so let's proceed, and so let's just calculate that. Let's just calculate it. Another way you can support me, guys, is by subscribing to the channel. Multiply by 757, so 17,524. Okay, so that means there was no fee charged. We're getting the same amount. So let's head over to dashboard. So we have successfully converted our dollars to Naira at a black market rate. So as you can see, we don't have any dollars available. Okay, so we can go ahead and select the Naira. So now we're going to be withdrawing this Naira to our bank account. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. As you can see, they also gave me a Naira bank account. So if I want to deposit, I can just do a transfer. So if I want to deposit, I can just do a transfer to my Naira bank account. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to do send money. Okay, Let's refresh this page. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on send money. So we're going to enter a recipient's name. So you just enter the name. You can send money to yourself. As you can see, I already added myself. So I'm going to be sending the money to my Kuda bank. So we're going to change this to Naira. We're going to select everything, 17524. So we're going to select send money. So we're going to enter the amount of money we're going to send. Then we're going to hit continue. So they're going to charge us 15 naira for the transfer. There's no problem with that. Then we're going to enter our password. Just enter our password. Okay, so let's retry payment. Or am I getting payment failed? So let's try again from the. Another way you can support me, guys, is by subscribing to the channel. So guys, we are going to select our bank. So if this is your first time, you just you can just add a new bank account. So as you can see, I already added my bank account. So I'll just select my bank account. I'm going to change this to Naira. I'm going to select the amount 17,500. Okay, we're going to select continue. We're going to select send money. We're going to select confirm payment. As you can see, guys, we have successfully sent 17,485. So they removed the fee, okay, from me. So as you can see, they said the money is going to arrive within 10 to 60 minutes. Okay, so let's just wait. So I should be getting an email that I have received this transaction. Okay, so I should be getting an email. It takes less than 10 minutes. So let's just wait for some time. So guys, as you can see, I just received the money in my Kuda bank account. So it didn't take up to 10 minutes. Okay, I saved the money ASAP in my Kuda bank account. If you're still watching the video up to now, I want to say very big congratulations. You have learned how you can withdraw your money from your GetPay account to your bank account, to your Naira bank account. Okay, so if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below. Okay, another way you can support me, guys, is by subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be releasing more videos about how you can earn money online and withdraw your money to your bank account. Also guys, another thing I can do for you, okay, so if you're having trouble creating your GetPay account or verifying your GetPay account, okay, so what I can do for you is that I can help you receive the payment and credit you in your bank account. All payment you'll be sending to me should be legitimate payments, okay? And if you want me to help you receive payment and credit you in your Naira bank account, just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. okay, you'll be redirected to my WhatsApp. Just let me know that you need my help in receiving payment and crediting you to your local bank account, any bank account. It does not be necessary in Naira bank account. If you're from Ghana, just let me know the country you're from and let me know you want me to help you receive the payment and credit to your local bank account. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below. See you guys in my next video. Fearless.